Okay, this is video 6 and hopefully the last. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little fancy here, okay? So on my game, I had this highlight whenever the ball would hit it, and so we can go ahead and click on that, click edit, click edit sprite, and we're gonna go ahead and create an animation. So whenever it hits, it will light up. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on animation, create new, animation light up. Go ahead and make that bigger. And since they're yellow, go ahead and click on yellow. So whenever they score, whenever they're getting it, they can get yellow. Okay. So let's go ahead and go into behaviors. And I'm going to go ahead and hit get a collision trigger. Change that to ball. Oh, I have my soccer ball. And whenever it does that, it will animate. So let's go ahead and get that animation under properties. And it already has light up, so I'm going to go ahead and click hit to start. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, you see it light up over there. Sorry, trying to hit the OK button. Alright, so now let's do the right side. Same way. You go ahead and click edit. Click edit sprite. Animation. Create new. Light up. And now, since this is for the purple, go ahead and click on that purple color. Click OK. And behaviors. We still have to make all the reset triggers for that, and we're going to go ahead and do that while we do the collision animation. So no big deal. Let's go ahead and go to collision trigger, and once again, whenever our soccer ball hits it, and we'll do our animation. So properties, animation, the light up is already there, so just hit start, and then that will light up purple. But now we need another collision trigger, and switch that to ball, soccer ball, whatever you have your ball named. And I'm going to need 5 messages, okay? 5 reset messages. Let's see what we got here. As under properties, components, let's see where we're at. Components, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the right side of the wall. Now we just need to do it for the left side. So that means we have to rename them all, reset. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my player first. So I'm going to reset my player. Let's see, I'm going to reset the ball. I think I forgot to do this part. Any object, there we go. Reset the ball. Object, there should be only one there. And now let's see, we're going to go ahead and reset the goalie. Reset the goalie. Now we have our 2 computer players. So we got reset, computer. And remember, we have 2 of those, so we'll pick the first one. and then reset. The second one. Alright, so that should get the main parts going. So let's go ahead and alright, here we go. Alright, so that worked. Alright, so that reset. Oh, it got stuck. So it's a little glitchy, but you can modify your game as you see fit, but there is something missing. We still got something missing here. And you're missing some fans. Okay, so I need some fans down here. You can make them a bunch of different ways, but I'm going to just do this here simply. I'm just going to create a new sprite. So I'm going to go ahead and do fans. Fans 1, because I might do a couple of these. So I'm going to go ahead and click Edit Sprite. And I'm going to go ahead and do Upload, I believe. Choose a file. I haven't created yet, so I'm going to go ahead and go to PNG egg to get some translucent. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the Stadium Soccer Fans. I'm going to download that. So now I have it there on my desktop. It's named PNG egg. So I'm going to go back to FlowLab, choose file, and there it is right there. Click OK. Hey, there we go. Okay, so I have this really cool photo so I'm going to go ahead and while I'm here, create a quick animation. I'm going to create new. I'm just going to name that move. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click 4 times. And on the second time, I'm going to, what did I do? I think the hand, and that'll move it over. On that, it'll move it back. See here. Nope, that didn't do it. How did I do this on this one? Nope, I should have done that. Let's see here. Delay. Let's move that up to 18. Was it this one I did? The arrow up, down. Yep, that's what it was. Not the hand. This third option. And so that'll move it, right? So we're going to move that one. And let's just see what happens. See, we're going to give it some different. Alright, so once we've done that, we can go ahead and click OK. Go into the behaviors for that. And then we obviously have to create a once trigger. So every time the game starts, the animation will start. So I'll go ahead and go to Properties, Animation, and that move is already selected, Start. And we're going to have to move that up. That's really big. Might need to make that smaller. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's fine. Didn't do it. We have to go ahead and loop that. Edit that. It's over here. So if it's out of the way over here, you can either move it, or I'm just going to go to Library and go the behaviors that way. And we have to loop that, so it's my fault. Alright, now let's see how all that looks. There we go. Now you got fans that move. And it looks like you're good to go. Go ahead and email me if you have any questions. Thanks for being patient. I know this was a little longer than I was wanting, but many more components in the first game.